There's Zach. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. You gotta sing it.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Okay, he's gotta blow them out. Don't touch the fire.
Whoa.
Oh, good job.
Pretty soon you're gonna have enough candles to set off fire.
Yeah, Zach. You're a two-boxer now.
Woo! That's what I wanted.
This was good?
Yeah. This cake is good.
Really?
Yeah, I like this cake.
What kind of cake is it?
I don't like the end of it. I don't like I like this.
Get your fingers out.
And I like that end.
Okay.
I like that end. Yeah.
All of it? You need all of it?
I like this. And I like this end. Okay, I like this.
Hey, stop putting your booger eater fingers in that.
I'm not a booger finger! Eat this rest of it. Eat this.
Do you want to cut it?
You have to cut it. I had to
Yeah,
cut mine.
well, you gotta at least cut the first. That's supposed to be good luck. Just
I want
slice and I'll do the rest.
I want to eat that rest. And I want to eat this.
Who wants what?